Think about this for a second. What if I told you that just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds every morning on an empty stomach could completely transform your digestion, heart health, skin, and energy levels? No supplements, no pills, no gym required? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the shocking part. It's scientifically proven. According to the Harvard School of Public Health, these tiny seeds are actually a micronutrition bomb for your body. Every single day, millions of people struggle with slow metabolism, bloating, and constant fatigue. Most assume it's just a normal part of aging, but in reality, the problem isn't your body. It's your missing nutrient balance. And chia seeds are one of the few natural foods that can help restore that balance from the inside out. So let's break it down. What really happens inside your body when you start eating chia seeds every day? But before we dive into the science, if you love science-backed natural health hacks that actually work, make sure to subscribe to the Clinical Discovery channel and hit that bell icon, because here we uncover the real science behind your body's hidden transformations. Here's where the magic begins. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains nearly 10 grams of fiber, and that's exactly what your gut needs to stay clean and active. This fiber gently flushes out toxins, eliminates bloating, and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Now, this part will surprise you. A 2011 study by the University of Toronto found that people who added chia seeds to their breakfast for just 12 weeks reduced their body fat by up to 5% without going to the gym. How? Because chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, keeping you full for hours. Here's where chia seeds truly shine. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the same heart-friendly compounds found in fish oil. And these help raise your good cholesterol, HDL, while reducing the bad one, LDL. Now let's talk about beauty from within. These tiny seeds are packed with powerful antioxidants like quercetin, caffeic acid, and myricidin, compounds that protect your skin cells from free radical damage, slow down wrinkles, and boost your natural glow. Here's the shocking part. According to the Journal of Food Science, 2023, chia seed antioxidants are twice as potent as vitamin E when it comes to fighting oxidative stress. Do you ever wake up with joint pain or stiffness in your body? Here's the good news. Chia seeds act as a natural anti-inflammatory booster. Thanks to their high levels of omega-3s and caffeic acid, they help lower the body's inflammatory markers, the same ones responsible for chronic issues like arthritis and heart disease. If you're struggling with type 2 diabetes or frequent sugar spikes, this part is for you. A 2017 Canadian study found that chia seeds can reduce blood sugar spikes by up to 40%. That's massive. What does that mean for you? No sudden energy crashes, no mood swings, just steady energy, improved focus, and balanced insulin levels throughout the day. Here's something most people don't realize. 1 ounce of chia seeds actually contains more calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus than milk. So if you're lactose intolerant, this is your perfect non-dairy calcium source. And studies show that regular chia intake can naturally improve bone density, keeping your bones strong, flexible, and resilient over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Clinical Discovery channel, because here, we don't chase trends. We uncover science-backed transformations that truly work.